Zalopalava, my name is Bianca Seinafo.
Gabby Solomona.
My name is Disciple Pati.
Akushatara Kupe.
You may remember me as the person who should have won on Season 1 Know Your Roots.
I'm the person who should have won Know Your Roots Season 3.
Hi losers! You might remember me as the winner of Know Your Roots Season 2.
Today on Know Your Roots Stars of the Kitchen,
We are tasting
Pani Popo.
So this is the Pani Popo. I followed the recipe on coconut. So if mine is terrible, I completely blame you, Destiny. But if I do win, it's me, because I'm great. Thanks. Also, can I just say, this is clearly rigged, because I'm Māori and I have never heard of this dish. So if I don't win, I'm calling rigged.
this.
Don't know if it came from the islands or if it came from the desert. Looks a bit dry.
it's giving scone.
It's a little bit dry.
Oh, there's the coconut cream. Found it. Here it is.
Now, I know this is Gabby's. Do you know why? Because it's all dry, no flavour, no personality. Nah, jokes.
I'm not a fussy eater, so I'm just gonna get in and try it.
Do I have to eat it? Yep, okay.
This gives me anxiety.
Oh, it's falling apart. Must be like the person who baked it, like their life.
I'm just trying to find a positive.
You know, in Sunday school when they say God like sent manna from the sky and it just dropped on the ground and it was really dry bread. This was the manna. The irony is that I have no manna after eating this pani.
The texture, it was a bit dry. I'm gonna give you a solid 2.5 for your effort.
I'll give points based on participation and effort. I'll give a 2 out of 10.
I'm gonna rate it a 2.
Every time I throw down in the kitchen, I always source locally, my backyard to be specific. So I actually grew the coconut tree and then I cracked open a couple of coconuts. I grew my own yeast.
Oh, put it back.
Everything you see on the plate is all Bianca Seinafo.
Yep, it's muffin.
Knock, knock, knock on wood.
You know what this reminds me of? Certain emoji.
This is very much giving wood shop, Pani Popo.
I like that there's lots of coconut cream on it.
Oh no, it feels doughy. Like I just feel like I should pick this up and it should be light.
This looks fake, eh? I don't know if I can eat this.
All kneaded and folded properly. Sauce is not too yeasty.
It's not great. Just like listen to this. Like you can hear how heavy it is.
You know who would like this? I think my dog would like this.
This person obviously used sugar in the bread and it tastes really good. This is pretty good, but not good enough.
So I'm gonna give you a 1.2.
This one gets a 2.5.
I'll give it a 6. No, I'll give it a 5.5.
So today I have made a famous Samoan dish called Pani Popo. You have to make the dough and then you have to let it rise.
Oh, this one's cute.
You gotta knead the dough. While that's setting, I made the coconut sauce, which is coconut cream, caster sugar, and water, and you just stir it, and then you just pour it over the top, and then you put it in the oven.
Ooh.
This looks good. I can see lots of coconut cream, which I'm happy about.
It looks golden. It looks cooked all the way through.
Oh, it's hard again.
I don't know what's in this. It smells super cheesy.
It's quite firm, doughy. The pepe is sticky.
That is cute. Like, that's cute.
It feels a bit hard on the top.
I'll eat anything that you put in front of me to be... Oh, it feels soft on the bottom.
There's cheese in here. Man, why is there cheese in here?
Is this Gabby's? Because there's clearly an overuse of yeast.
Oh, damn it. It's actually good.
It's not cooked in the middle.
No, it's really yum.
It's actually really nice. The bread could be a bit sweeter.
I don't know if the person who made this washed their hands.
Oh, this is really good.
It's a bit bready, a bit yeasty. I'll still eat it though. I'll give it a solid 4.5.
This one easily gets a 7.
Parts of it's good. It's just unfortunate it's not cooked right in the middle. I'm gonna rate it a 4.
So this is my Pani Popo. I actually climbed up the coconut tree and then I plucked it and then I scraped the coconut, I squeezed it, and that's how I made the pe'e.
Oh, that actually looks really good.
My ancestors came down and they breathed life into my Pani Popo, and that's how my Pani Popo rose. I didn't actually need an oven.
Yum! Burnt Pani Popo.
It does look a little bit burnt, but the glaze looks really good.
It looks really angry. Like someone was whāli'i at their boyfriend because he wasn't paying attention to them, and then they left it in the oven too long.
Yo!
Feels very doughy.
Lots of coconut cream, we like that. Doesn't smell too muffled.
And it tastes really doughy and yeasty.
Yeah, it's saying it's angry.
Oh, I can really taste the yeast.
Now we're gonna taste it because we have to.
It's hard to chew because it's burnt on the top.
Trying to decide if I want to swallow it. I don't want to swallow this one.
Like, I'm finding it really hard to chew it. It's quite sweet, like you can tell there's lots of sugar in it.
I wouldn't be very happy serving that to anyone, actually. Maybe my worst enemy.
I'm gonna give points for the coconut cream because that's really good. So I'll give this one a 5.
So the sweetest thing about this was the coconut cream, everything else, whāli'i. I'm going to give this a 1.1.
I'm going to give it a rating of, like, 2.